In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your browser to Manus AI. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Manus AI like you normally would. Be sure that you are signed into your account. Afterwards, please go to the left menu and press over here where it says settings. Then you're going to be brought to another menu that looks like this, and in the left menu, you want to go to this section that says features, and then you're going to see my plugins. Please select on my plugins. And then from here, you're then going to get this option over here, and you want to go to this top menu and be sure that connectors is actually selected. Then you're going to see this button that says add connectors. As you're able to tell, I already did add a few connectors prior to this. So you just want to go ahead and press on it, and then you're going to see my browser. So you're able to go ahead and click on it just like so. Then press on connect. So the way it works is that you're going to need to install and enable a Chrome extension so that Manus uses your local browser instead. So you're able to go ahead and select on connect, and then you're able to select on install extension right over here. And here's how it's going to look like. And then you want to press on add to Chrome. It's going to ask you for a verification. So please select on add extension right over here. And then it is going to appear in this top menu, and you're able to go ahead and begin configuring it to your liking. Now, this is a very powerful tool over here, and then all you want to do is you want to press on get started, and you're able to configure it and really optimize your workflow significantly. I did find pretty good results with this. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.